Hi, in this video I will show you 3 ways to insert an image into your cell in Google Sheets. For the first method I'm gonna go to insert, then go to image, insert image in cell because we want it to be here, and I will insert my image. I have all of these options, but let's go with Google Images and let's go with nature, and I will choose my image or this one. And now we have our image. As you see, it's so small, so let's have a bigger column, you see, but we have this and we can change it like that, you see. And now we have our image. For example, if you wanted to merge it with other columns, I would just go and merge it like that. For the second method, I will show you how to insert an image and be able to move it in your Google Sheet. So again, I go to image, insert image, and then insert image over cell. In this case, I will upload an image from my computer, and you see here I have my image. I can make it smaller or bigger as I want, and I can move it and put it whatever you want. But I'm not able to customize it or to add a frame or whatever. So if you want to add an image and be able to customize it, add a frame or change the color or whatever, you need to go to insert, then go to drawing instead of image, and here you need to add your image. So I would go to this image, and as you see here we have the same options, but I'm gonna go for Google Image, and let's go again for nature, insert. Now you see we have our image, so I can add a frame. Let's change the color of the frame so we can see it, you see, and I can have it bigger, I can have it like that. Oh, it's so bad. Also, I can write on it hello. I can change my, you see here, back. Let's change the color white, put it here. As well, I can have it smaller or bigger or whatever. And now let's go to save and close, and here is my image. And like that, you now know how to add your photos in 3 ways depending on your needs. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.